Okay, last and final attempt at growing some early peas, early onward. I've been thwarted so many times by mice, it's unbelievable. Never had this problem before, but I'm going to make sure the mice don't get to these. So they're going to be sown, as I normally do, 4 to a little pot. I like these square pots because they go well inside this homemade tray. Incidentally made from old skirting boards of mine. In the true spirit of frugality, allotment frugality. Right, just get these back in. If and when these germinate and they're growing a bit, they'll be going outside in the ground. I've already prepared a place for them. These don't grow too tall. I think about 80 centimetres, something like that. I'll whisk through this next bit. Of course, this is my homemade compost, so it cost me nothing. Next part here is to just push these down to about your first knuckle-ish. Doesn't really matter too much. And what we'll do with these, I'll cover the whole tray up with glass, and there's absolutely no chance of mice getting into them. There's no way in the bottom. The door's wide open, so it should go out on its own, this bee. Okay, let me just cover these up. Soil's nice and moist, compost here. Now, how does it seem? That would do fine. Yeah, I'm having that. No mice is going to get in there. Okay, job done.